आज हम लोग माइक्रोब्स इन ह्यूमन हेल्थफेयर वाला चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ये मैंने 2-4 टॉपिक्स जो है वहाँ पे एज ए नोट फॉर्म लिख दिया है। अब हम आगे चलते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन, एक बार रिकैप देख लेते हैं। वी नो दैट माइक्रोब्स आर प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर इन सॉइल, वाटर, एयर, इनसाइड आवर बॉडीज एंड दैट ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स. Second point, they are present even at the sites where no other life form could possibly exist. Sites such as deep inside the geysers, thermal vents where the temperature may be as high as 1000 degrees Celsius, deep in the soil, under a layer of snow several meters thick, and in highly acidic environments. Third point, microbes are diverse. Protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic animal and plant viruses, viroids, and also prions that are proteinaceous infectious agents. ये 2-4 important points थे जो मैंने आपको recap में बता दी. Next चलते हैं topic microbes in household products. Definition: a variety of microbes or products obtained from them are used in our daily life. Dairy products. Lactic acid bacteria converts lactose sugar of milk into lactic acid. ये important है. Second point, lactic acid causes coagulation of milk protein. Casein milk is changed into curd, yogurt, and cheese. Third point, curd is prepared by inoculating cream and skimmed milk with Lactobacillus acidophilus at temperature of about 40 degrees Celsius. Fourth point, yogurt is produced by curdling milk with the help of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. ये नाम important है. Next, dairy products continued. Buttermilk is acidulated product which is formed by inoculating skimmed milk with starter culture of Streptococcus cremoris, Lactobacillus acidophilus species at 22 degrees Celsius for 18 hours. Cheese is partially degraded concentrate by microorganisms. Swiss cheese is characterized by the characteristic flavor and large holes. The large holes are formed due to amount of CO2 released by a thermophilic bacteria, Propionibacterium shermani. ये important है. Next, Roquefort cheese is characterized by greenish blue mottling. Next, it is ripened by Penicillium roqueforti. It is the best known cheese made from sheep's milk. Last, Camembert cheese employs Penicillium camemberti for ripening. Next हम चलते हैं dough for making food items. Numerous food items such as idli, jalebi and bread are prepared by fermentation process in which one or more kinds of microbes are used. Second, the dough which is used for making dosa and idli is allowed to ferment overnight for 10 to 12 hours. Next, the bacteria which comes from atmosphere, particularly Leuconostoc mesenterites, Streptococcus faecalis, causes fermentation so that the dough increases in volume and gets sour. Last, increase in the volume of dough is due to carbon dioxide gas CO2 that is released as a result of fermentation. Next, bread is made from flour obtained by grinding cereal grain, usually wheat. Selected strains of Saccharomyces cerevisiae grown on molasses are used as baker's yeast. Next, a small quantity of yeast is added to wheat flour and kneaded. The kneaded flour is kept at warm temperature for a few hours and it swells up. The phenomenon is called leavening. Other household products. Toddy is a traditional drink of South India. It is made by fermenting latex obtained from toddy palm and coconut water. It undergoes fermentation with the help of naturally occurring yeast. It is a refreshing drink which can be heated to produce palm sugar jaggery. Other foods like tempeh in Indonesia, tofu in Japanese, and sufu in Chinese are fermented foods obtained from soya bean. Soy sauce is brown flavored salty sauce fermented from soybean and wheat. Last, several types of sausages are prepared by fermentation and curing of fish and meat is also done with the help of microbes. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम चलते जो कि है माइक्रोब्स इन इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स. Microbes in industrial products. A variety of products in enormous amounts are produced by microbes such as beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic, antibiotics, organic acids, enzymes, vitamins, hormones, amino acids, vaccines and steroids. ये हमें definition याद रखना important है. Next, alcoholic fermentation. The first point is yeast species used in alcoholic fermentation are Saccharomyces cerevisiae. तो ये भी important है, याद रखना. Fermented nutrient medium used differs based on products. The yeasts which are used in brewing industry for the preparation of alcoholic drinks are collectively called brewer's yeast. Different types of alcoholic beverages are produced by using different brewer's yeast. एग्जाम्पल्स है जो कि हार्ड लिकर के विस्की, राम, ब्रांडी, वोडका एंड फेनी आर डिस्टिल्ड बेवरेजेस सो कॉल्ड हार्ड लिकर. हायर परसेंटेज ऑफ अल्कोहल रहता है इन सब में. बाय प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ अल्कोहलिक फर्मेंटेशन आर CO2 एंड इथेनॉल. नेक्स्ट, एंटीबायोटिक्स. Antibiotics are the chemical substances produced by microorganisms that in low concentration inhibits the growth or kill the pathogenic organisms without harming the host. The term antibiotic means against life was coined by Waxman 1942. ये याद रखना है term हमें. Next, Alexander Fleming 1928 discovered first antibiotic penicillin from Penicillium notatum in 1928. It was commercially extracted by efforts of Chain and Florey. Next, this antibiotic was extensively used in treating wounded American soldiers in World War II. Antibiotics continued. Fleming, Chain and Florey were awarded with Nobel Prize in 1945. उनको Nobel Prize मिला था which year? In 1945. Second point, over 7,000 antibiotics are known. Streptomyces griseus produces more than 41 antibiotics, while Bacillus subtilis can give about 60 antibiotics. Antibiotics are obtained from lichens, eubacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes. Antibiotics are medicines used for treatment of a number of pathogenic or infectious diseases. Important points. Next, single cell protein. Definition है single cell protein का SCP is the production of microbial biomass for consumption as human food or animal feed. The common SCP are spirulina, yeast, and Fusarium graminearum. SCP is rich in high quality proteins but poor in fat. Next, SCP is useful in reducing environmental pollution by managing industrial and agricultural wastes. Next, chemical enzymes and other bioactive molecules. First point, a number of organic acids are manufactured with the help of microbes. Examples are acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, gluconic acid, cyclosporine, statins. Examples हमें याद रखना है. Next, acetic acid is produced from fermented alcohol with the help of bacteria Acetobacter aceti. Next, citric acid is obtained through fermentation carried out by Aspergillus niger and mucus species on sugar syrup. Next, gluconic acid is prepared by activity of Aspergillus niger and Penicillium species. Then, cyclosporine A is an important bioactive chemical produced by fungus Trichoderma polyspira. It is used as an immunosuppressive agent in organ transplantation. Statins are produced by yeast Monaskos purpurus. It acts as competitive inhibitor of enzyme for cholesterol synthesis. So it is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. Then, enzymes are proteinaceous substances of biological origin which are capable of catalyzing biochemical reaction without themselves undergoing any change. Next, lipases are lipid dissolving enzymes. Lipases are added in detergents for removing oily statins from laundry and also used in flavoring cheese. Streptokinase tissue plasminogen activator at TPA is an enzyme obtained from the cultures of some hemolytic streptococci. It has fibrinolytic effect. Therefore, it helps in clearing blood clots inside the blood vessel. ये वाला important है, which is helping in clearing blood clot inside the blood vessel. Then, microbes in sewage treatment. Microbes in sewage treatment में हम पढ़ेंगे sewage और municipal waste contain human excreta and other organic waste. It also contains a number of pathogenic microbes so should not be passed into rivers, streams and other water bodies. It is made less polluting by passing it through sewage treatment. STP. Next, stages of sewage treatment. Primary or physical treatment में it removes floating and suspended solids from sewage through filtration and sedimentation. ये दोनों term important है, filtration and sedimentation. Next, first floating matter is removed through sequential filtration with small pore filter progressively. Then, the filtrate is then kept in large open settling tanks where sand, slit, small pebbles settle down. Then, the sediment is called the primary sludge, while the supernatant is called effluent. The primary sludge traps a lot of microbes and debris. It is subjected to composting or landfill, where anaerobic digestion removes the organic matter. Next, secondary or biological treatment. There are several methods of secondary treatment, example oxidation, tanks, trickling filter and activated sludge. In activated sludge system, the primary effluent is taken to aeration tanks. A large number of aerobic heterotrophic microbes grow in the aeration tank. They form flocs. ये important है ये term flocs. Flocs are masses of bacteria held together by slime and fungal filaments to form mesh-like structures. Mesh-like मतलब धागा-like structure होता है. The microbes digest a lot of organic matter, converting it into microbial biomass and releasing a lot of minerals. Due to this, BOD of the waste matter is reduced to 10 to 15% of raw sewage. ये number में याद रखना 10 to 15% of raw sewage. Now, the effluent is passed through a sedimentation tank where microbial flocs are allowed to settle down. The settled material is called activated sludge. This is the definition of activated sludge. Next, the effluent or supernatant is generally passed into natural water, river streams, etc. or treated with chemical for further purification. A part of activated sludge is used as an inoculum in aeration tank. The remaining is passed into large tank called anaerobic sludge digester. Here, aerobic microbes, if present in a sludge, get killed. Anaerobic microbes digest the organic matter as well as the aerobic microbes into soluble and gaseous products like CH4, CO2, H2S, etc.